Mark coming out with water. Maybe he's taking the break from Vault. Big gun. Joel Big Guns Lozada.
Spitting at the fans. What's wrong with you? Come to watch our show.
I won't come anymore.
Okay.
Stay here.
You just spit on the fans.
Yeah.
Coming out next, XOBW newcomer. Well, newcomer to backyard wrestling for a while. Just debuted once again, probably like a month ago, in any backyard wrestling fed. Warlock.
Are you serious right now? I thought ECW was on sci-fi, not XOBW. Where's the ref? We want the zombie!
Do I want the can?
Ref. And then
I'm the ref.
I'm refing. I'd appreciate.
I'm
Go be ref, Jeff. I mean, Joey. No, you don't fucking know.
I think Mark's ref, aren't you?
No, I'm just chilling.
Okay, Jake Adams is ref.
I'm going necro style. I'm just supporting my boy.
I'm coming over here. Oh, Big Gun. Joel flipped him off.
Joel Big Guns Lozada.
No, I did not smash that.
Flows so wonderful.
Oh, drop kick.
How do you feel about that?
Is it just me, or are these two the same height?
Yeah, I think these two are the same height. And one is a lot older.
How do you feel about that before?
Twice the age.
I don't even care.
Reverse DDT. Oh, Dragon Sleeper. Cheating bastard!
It didn't even do it.
Reverse
Am I really that
suplex.
weak?
You are. I'm doing it too good. Thank you.
Oh, they're already going for the dragon clutch, maybe.
Are you serious?
Do it in
Right
10
now.
and 8.
Hey, look, that little kid's trying to steal your Burger King.
What are you doing? Is it product?
That's the last time you pick on my 60 pounds overweight and told me how to dance, alright? What? Oh, what the hell was you interfering? What? Pay attention to your match, man.
Oh, he punched him with a slinky.
Drop the slinky! Slinky!
Ref, you better take care of this.
The slinky just hit my feet.
I'm just chilling, son!
Watch your shoulder.
Yeah, I know.
Suplex, maybe. Oh!
Where'd my fucking slinky go? Yeah, man.
You better get your slinky broken this week.
You
Better
can't
watch
break
it.
a fucking slinky.
Uh-oh, setting up for the curb stomp.
Curb stomp! Coast stomp!
Oh!
Harder!
Oh!
Coast stomp!
That could very well be the end of his face.
Setting up a chair.
This is Warlock's second match?
Yes.
Oh, I'm staying away.
Oh, I think he was going for the aside
I
DDT.
believe he was.
What a
Ooh,
prick!
uh-oh. Death Valley?
Get off my boy Big G! It's all for you.
Oh!
It ain't even my birthday. How am I gonna get a present? One.
Who's next? Yes, and
Yes, next we have a match for the national title,
Christopher Vendetta.
which is
Roman Noom.
Why didn't somebody else's
XBW International Champion.
side DDT.
Now
Oh!
get down there, cause this is gotta be
That's
it.
gotta be it. Has to be.
The Big G don't fuck around. Look out, buddy. I'll hold the ladder.
I think that was enough to put him away, but Guns doesn't seem to be done.
I think Guns like to show off, jumping off ladders.
I don't think Warlock can keep up with the speed of Big Guns.
Never mind.
Oh!
Yo! 2, 3. Somebody hit our music! He broke my slip! Yo!
is caught up in a tree.
Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time!